Good morning, JTHS. This is Dr. Plotz. This morning, I want to take a few minutes and go over your 4-day rotating drop block schedule and kind of provide some insight on how to better understand it going forward. So what we're going to do, we're going to review a typical student schedule over here, and then I'm going to show you how quickly you can input and understand the schedule in your own template. So it looks very similar to years past. You have your course titles, your course ID numbers, your section numbers, your teacher, room assignments, day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And this would be your blocks, block A, B, C, which coincide over here with A, B, and C. Blocks D, E, and F, which coincide here, D, E, and F. Okay. Your marking periods for marking period 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a half-year course, it would say 1, 2, or marking periods 1 and 2, or 3, 4 for just 3 and 4. Okay. Otherwise, if it's a full year course, it's marking periods 1, 2, 3, 4, and your credit rating. So the easiest way to better understand your schedule is to input it into a template. And we do that very simply by going by day and by block. So we'll start off with day 1. We'll put all of day 1 in. So looking over here, going to day 1, block A, the first class we're going to input into the schedule, and we'll abbreviate, is Woods. Day 1 B block class is going to be English. The day 1 C block class, day 1 letter C, is going to be algebra. Your day 1 class here, it says lunch academic 1, so that'll be your academic study period. And you'll notice it says cafe here. So your lunch academic 2 is your lunch period. Your D block class is media. On day 1, your E block class would be health and PE. And on day 1, your F block class would be robotics. Going over to day 2, your A block class for day 2 is going to be chemistry CP. Your day 2 B block class is going to be woodworking. Your day 2 C block class will be English. Then you have your academic, your lunch. Your day 2 D block class will be history. Your day 2 E block class will be media. And your day 2 F block class will be health and PE. Going over to day 3, your A block class. Now you'll notice I put them in order. I like to start with A first, which is down here in the middle. So for day 3, my A class will be algebra. My day 3 B block class will be chemistry. You'll notice here, for day 3C, you go over to your chart, you have CC here, CC here. That's because for day 3, in the C period, for market periods 1 and 2, you'll have woods. But for day 3, market periods 3 and 4, because it's a half-year course, you'll have web design. So we put woods in there for market periods 1 and 2 so that you know, and then coding or web design for marking periods 3 or 4 so that you know. Still have the same academic period, same lunch period. Day 3, going to block D, will be robotics. Day 3, going to block E, will be history. Day 3, going to block F, will be media, and we're done with day 3. Our last day, day 4. Day 4, block A. English. Day 4, block B will be algebra. Day 4, block C. Oh, this looks a little bit different, and it should be. So for day 4, block C, you'll notice it says CLA1. That means during the block C, you're going to have chemistry. But the LA1 that's attached to chemistry means you're going to have your chemistry lab following it. So we have chemistry and chemistry lab, followed by your lunch. Then on day 4, we go down to your D block on day 4, which would be health and PE. Your day 4 E block, which will be robotics. And your day 4 F block, which will be history. Now, after we finish day 4, we just start back up again with day 1, and the rotation repeats itself. You may ask me what these numbers are in the corner. These numbers are to keep you organized and so that you can actually see the diagonal and that your classes will go in a diagonal pattern. Here we see that Woods is here, here, here in a diagonal. Media is here, here, here in a diagonal. History is here, here, and here. If you don't have that diagonal pattern, there's obviously a mistake in your schedule, and that's a good way to have a check and balance on if you scheduled it correctly. That is your 4-day rotating drop block schedule. If you have any questions, please ask your teachers for assistance. At this time, I would like you to take your student schedule and input it into the sample schedule that we have provided. Again, if you have any questions, see your teacher or see me. I thank you and have a great day with your 4-day rotating drop block schedule for the 2018-2019 school year.